What's up, guys? It's your girl Sophia RSVP, and I'm back with a jewelry video. Shout out to Danya. She messaged me this morning and asked me if I was gonna put a video out today. I'm in a whole new background, so yes, I did do some shopping for new jewelry. However, because of the coronavirus, we've been trying to lay low in New York and kind of just keep it on the down low. So I got a few things I want to show you that are going to land on the site for tonight and tomorrow morning, and let's just get right into it. These hairbands, oh my god, have become super popular. They're bejeweled, they have patches, but they for the most part have a little bit of a puffier exterior. So when you put them on, they kind of look like this. They're fancy. They're a little bit thicker than a typical headband that you wore when you were smaller, but they're super cute and super on trend. So we added a few of these to the mix. Favorite one is this Gucci inspired one that has the insects all over it, the flies, just like the Gucci print. This one I'm loving, you guys, and this is the look that everybody's going for. So we have a couple of these. I'm gonna bring in a few more colors, but I think this one is my favorite, you guys. I'm gonna try and rock this in a photo for you guys. So I'm also restocking the bunny ear, cat ears headbands, you guys. Everybody loves these. They're crystal, they're super cute, and a lot of YouTubers wear them when they're doing their makeup, but I think they're just really, really fun for wearing out with the girls, just to have fun. And I have this one, which is all crystallized, and then I have this one that has like an open ear, and it's just a little crystallized. These are just really, really cute, you guys. This one is really cute too. It just has a bow. A lot of people requested these. I don't know, they were requesting them a lot at the boutique, but it seems to be on trend. I think you might want to wear this one if you're a little bit younger. But who knows? I'm sure you guys can make it work, but we have a couple of these on the site as well. Last but not least, look at my hair. It's kind of crazy, but it's okay. The last one is we restocked the Happy Birthday headband. This is a very, very popular item on 988concept.com. For your birthday, when you're celebrating, you're the princess, so it's super cute. And I'm showing you guys the gold right now with the white crystals, but it's also available in silver with silver crystals. And actually there's a few different happy birthday styles, so you can always DM me and tell me your birthday is coming up, and I can send you a few options and you pick one and we bring it in for you. So that's it for the headbands. The next items I want to show you guys really quickly are some earrings. I'm gonna go down the bamboo earring road. It's really hard to find these earrings these days. I don't know why it's so hard. I know the beauty supply sells a couple of different styles, but I have been looking for the classic boogie down Bronx type of door knocker earrings, and this is a pair right here. I haven't seen this style in so long. I tried to order it, couldn't find it. Now I have it. So if you guys are looking for something like this, this is amazing. And I can't wait to rock these myself because they're just really, really a great triangle door knocker style. See G-Man, but he's here on the side helping me out today. I love these square ones. They're more for your round the way girl, everyday kind of thing with a lot of chains and stuff like that. So this one is a really, really cute one. These, you guys, are like my favorite door knockers. Like, I found a picture of myself from the early 90s and I was wearing these earrings, and I can't believe that I got my hands on these again. So if you're ever looking for door knockers and you don't see the style that you're looking for, just send me a DM because I can find them, and you know, they're usually good for special occasions like old school parties and stuff like that. So I love the selection of door knockers that I can get my hands on. So that's that. I restocked you guys' favorite earring that you guys all bought really, really fast. It was this one, the letter earrings. Yesterday I posted the engaged pair. This is Babygirl, super cute. Can't go wrong with these, and they really look nice when your hair is back in one. I posted these ones yesterday. That's the engaged earring. There's a few different sayings. There's chica, chula, feelings. There's a few different ones, but this one is really, really cute. And what a nice way to let everybody know that you're engaged. And they come in gold with white crystal, but they also all come in silver with white crystals. So you can always get them in the opposite color, just request it. So those are there. So this one is called Feelings. There you go. And it's so appropriate because I know a lot of girls be in their feelings. I don't know why, but this has to be my favorite one. These ones are a little bit smaller so you can get away with wearing them every day, but Feelings are cute, guys. I love them. But this is like the most popular earring on Instagram. Everybody wears this earring. It comes in silver and gold. I have this silver here as well. Let me open it for you guys. But the good thing is that this earring comes in a clip-on as well as a pierced version. And that's it right there. So I used to have the pierced version in store. Now I have the clip and pierced version available online. So I'll post those for you guys to see. But grab these quickly because these are hot. They go with everything. And I think everybody needs the silver and gold of these. So I love those. I call them the nugget earrings. You guys probably remember these from the boutique. They come in every color. Red, orange, blue, black, hematite gray. They come in rose gold. It's a very light crystal earring that really makes a statement. And this is the gold and green right here. It's one of my faves, and I love the jet black in this as well. So this is a great earring that we always sell out of. I also have a couple of bracelets that were restocked. You guys love this cuff bracelet. I sell so many of these in an array of colors. It comes in black, it comes in the crystal version, it comes in red, pink, so many different colors. So I will list the colors online so that you guys can pick it. But this is such a great piece for wearing with jeans as well as dressing up. And it also comes in the half size. So if this is a little too dramatic for your event, you could always go with the smaller version, which is all so cute, equally as cute. And I'll be doing close-ups for these for you guys on these as well so you guys can see them. But this is a #1 seller at $9.88. And I'm going to be showing you guys a few more pieces of black jewelry. I sold a lot of black jewelry when we were open at 988 Concept, the store, and we will be continuing to sell them online. Now I'm going to show you a couple of new styles of earrings that I brought in. First pair is this pair right here. Oh my God, I love them. So this is a black crystal drop earring. It's not that heavy, so it's easy to wear, and it features a lot of multicolored smaller crystals on the interior circle, so you can wear it with a lot of different things. You can dress it up or dress it down, but for the most part these are pretty dressy. And I thought it was totally appropriate to get the pastel color for spring. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? And this is going to look so beautiful with the collection of crop leather jackets that we're selling. And they're going to be done in colors like this. So I love this palette right here. All these pastel colors are huge for spring 2020. So you can rock these earrings with something as simple as a t-shirt and jeans and completely look dressed up when you're not even trying. So these are stunning. My favorite pair of earrings I picked up in the shop are a new style. You guys, if you know me for a while, you know I rock a big earring. This, you guys, is my favorite. Look how stunning the crystals are on this. And this is a nice blue, so I feel like you can dress it up and wear it with jeans and just really look super hot. I'm gonna try these ones on for you guys, and they're a clip. So, but look at that, you guys. Wow. These are so beautiful. OMG. I love them. So I'm gonna see if there are more colors of these, but these are probably my favorite of the whole bunch for today. Awesome. So other than these clip-ons, I think that's all I had to show you guys today. Keep your keys on. How adorable is this, you guys? There's a bunch of different styles. I'll be sure to put them all online for you guys when I get them all in. But this is just a little sequin keychain you can attach to your keys. You girls know when you have these big purses, it's hard to find your keys. So the trick of it is to have a big keychain so it's easier to find your keys. So this is super cute. The trend right now is multiple rings on your fingers. So everybody buys these cute little packs. and this is one of them. So I will show you guys a close-up of this as well, but I have tons of different styles of these. You can just go online and check it out. Last but not least, so you guys know me, I always save the best things for last, and I came upon a really nice discovery this weekend that I just love it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. If you guys are a fan of Judith Lieber, but not a fan of the Judith Lieber price of a bag, you guys are going to appreciate this. OMG. You put on an outfit and you get a really blingy purse. How beautiful is this? This is what it looks like, you guys. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's so big. It holds all the things that you need. Your lipstick, your phone, your keys, your ID. That's all you need. It opens like this, almost like a seashell. And then it has a little bit of gold leather on the sides to hold your things in. But for the most part, you can hold a lot in here. They even give you extra crystals in case you drop it, which you don't want to do. But look at that, you guys. There's so much room in here. I can fit quite a few things in here. And then you just close it up and you're good to go. How cute, you guys. OMG. I am in love with this. There's a popcorn one, which I will insert the photo right now for you guys to see it. There are so many different versions of this. So get this while it's hot. I have limited quantities and it will be up on the site live tonight. But this, for summer 2020, for you to be dressing up and making a statement, you definitely need a bag like this. And I'm in love with it. So yeah, I think that's it. That was the last thing I wanted to show you guys. I almost forgot to show you guys the restocks of the black crystal rings. Here's the rings right here. We always stock them. They're so sick. This is the first one. That's the second one. And that's the third one. I guess I could show them to you guys separately. But let me take this off and show you guys how good it looks with the cuff. So if you're wearing all black to a party and you just want a little bit of shine, that's why I love these, because they make such a statement. You know what I'm saying? So there's the look right there. And of course you might not do 3 rings. If you're extra like me, you will. But that's how it looks if you're just gonna do 1 ring and 1 bracelet. And usually that's all you need to complete the outfit. I love that look. And if you want to do it with the shorter one, you would just use this one. This one you have to bend it more, but that's the shorter one. So that's the look right there, and that cuff is so easy to wear. It's not as dramatic as the big one. I will be back again next week with some more new arrivals. I'm trying to lay low, so I wanted to do so many more, show you guys so many more things, but it's kind of crazy in New York right now, so me and G are trying to lay low. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow the store so that you guys see all the new arrivals when they drop in case you missed the video. And don't forget, we are online now. You never know where we're gonna be popping up to show you guys some new stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.